TransSteel is steel welding in its purest form. Nothing more, nothing less. TransSteel, a rugged and dependable steel welding partner that embodies an intelligent appliance system, offering exceptionally easy handling. Optimally matching system components ensure 100% system performance. TransSteel stands for extremely easy handling because when it comes to steel welding, tools with intelligent functions are what is needed. Perfect welding properties are the product of complex interrelationships between ignition, arc, and burn-off behavior. Steel transfer technology means that the TransSteel comes with Fronius expert know-how for every steel application. Steel Dynamic for deep, narrow penetration and enhanced welding speed. Steel Root. A soft, stable dip transfer arc makes for perfect root welding with no need for any weld pool backing supports. TransSteel, a perfect system.